Okay, friends, this is going to be a lesson on Three Little Birds. Okay, and I've got the camera up close so you can see the strings and see where I'm fretting. Okay, for our chord shapes. The first chord you're going to need to do for this song is your C chord. So to find C, you count down 3 frets. 1, 2, 3, and your middle finger, or your ring finger, excuse me, will be right there on that A string. Okay, right behind that 3rd fret. Okay, there's C. The next chord you're going to need to know is G. To find G, I just anchor my middle finger right there on that 2nd fret on your A string. I take my index finger and I'm going to put on the 2nd fret on my C string, like that. Then I'm going to take my ring finger and I'm going to anchor it on the 3rd fret on the E string. Okay, and that's my shape. I'm flattening my fingers a little so you can see. But you want your fingers up. There's your G. For F, which is our last chord you need to know, you could just take your number 1, your index finger, place it right there on your 1st fret on your E string. Okay, and that's an easy F chord. Now, if you want a challenge and you want to do the real F chord, the hard one, stretch out your middle finger, 2nd fret on that G string or your 4th string, and right there, I don't know if you can see that good. See, here's your F right here. Okay, all right, so there's F, but you can play my easy F. Okay, so here's the song. You're going to start it on C, okay, and it goes like this. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause now we're going to go to our F. Every little thing's gonna be all. Now go back to your C, right? Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause now go to F again. Every little thing is gonna be all. Now go to your C, right? Here we go, next verse. Rise up this morning, smiled with a. Now we're gonna go to our G. Rising sun, 3 little birds pitched by my. Now you're gonna go to F, doorstep, singing sweet songs. Go to C, of melodies. Now you're gonna go to G, pure and true, saying. Now we're gonna go to F. This is my message to. And we're gonna end on C. You. Okay, and you can play it as many times as you want. Okay, and for like your ending, you could do a cowboy ending, which is. See how I did that? C, G, C. Or you could do your rock out. Okay. All right. For the cowboy ending, again, you just do a C and a quick G. Okay. You can play with that ending. So the song's going to go, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Okay, here we go. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds pitched by my doorstep, songs. I forgot where it was. C. Sweet songs of melody